Hey friends, if you encounter the awaiting endpoint issue on Discord, then I will guide you through the solutions, and there are only two solutions. To check the internet connection and check Discord server. If there it was any other issue, then you wouldn't get the awaiting endpoint error. The error would be different. So open your browser and go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? The next one is to check the Discord server status. And how would you do that? Simply search for Discord server status and hit enter. Then go to discordstatus.com and check if all the systems are operational or not. At times you'll see it in red. So if that is the case, then you will have to wait till the servers are back up. And even if it shows in green, wait for a few minutes and check if it turns red, because at times when the server is down, it doesn't immediately turn red. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.